Don't miss it. Right here on the Dream.
Happy Clouds if you're new, if you're not new, we're on Cloud 9. Okay, y'all, so we at the Columbia Fair. You heard me, Columbia Fair in Augusta, Georgia. Well, really, it's in Columbia, Georgia, but it's a lot of people here. We gotta get our rides. I gotta find it. I don't know where it's at. We gotta get our rides. Where? Hey, this is my sister Tisha. That's my mom. Ryan. I mean, mom Tisha. Mama. That's mama. And here's Tayron. Okay. Okay, you said where the tickets are? The booth. Okay, guys, let's go. So how y'all been? You like my hair? I tried. It really made me mad. But it's not too bad. I am hungry, so I can't wait to get some food. I am so prepared this time because normally sometimes I don't have enough money, but now I do. So that made me very happy. Now we in line for the tickets. Look at everything. There's a lot of people here. We're gonna get on some rides. Not too crazy, but some crazy rides. Yeah, that's okay. I'll show you the outfit later.
Somebody's got paid for the $300.
But I'm gonna be right back once we get our tickets. Oh, you guys, we are back. We got our hand stamps, so some ride, unlimited rides. Even though I'm not gonna ride all the rides, but yo, let me show y'all the views. All this crazy stuff. Hold on, in line right now to get our hand stamps. I don't want to ride the barn. It's climbing down now, but should ride the barn. We might. I'm hungry. I want like a hot dog or something. Oh, hello. Hot dog, something. Something to eat. Come on, guys, with me to go to the ATMer. It's over here somewhere. I'm letting my stamp dry before I pull my sleeve back up. Here we go. Okay. So we want to do English. Okay. Oh, my name, boy, what? They're quick with it. Well, they know my name. Withdraw. Take the money out. Hit that 80. Yeah. Oh, yes. I ain't never used one like this before. Okay. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get my money. Yes, sir. Oh, dang. Can I get it? So we got our money. Okay, what we doing now?
Like, now the characters walking.
What we doing now, you guys? I thought somebody had used the restroom. I want something to drink. I see some hot dogs and stuff down there. Let's go down there. But I don't have any. Excuse me. Disculpe. Do you know where the restroom is?
Right here on the right.
Right here on the right?
Yeah.
Okay.
See that like blue flag?
Thank you.
Right back there.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Thank you.
We're gonna go to the restroom now. This is gonna be very, very fun.
Well, I thought that was Mr. Bobby.
Look at that. I got a hot diggity, hot dog, hot diggity dog. I got me one of them. I don't know why she looking at me like I'm crazy. Hey, sir, how you doing? He just say nothing. What? How look? Oh.
You can take Ron over
Let me. This my hot dog.
I'm just gonna get some French fries. I'm trying to see what else they got. They ain't got nothing else really. Just corn dogs and
I'll give me something to drink. Okay. How much was that?
$4. I got 6. And that's right.
Hold on. I can't get it open.
Just put it in my other bag.
So it can be protected and don't fall out. Come on. You wanted something? No? If you don't use the $20, she getting some vinegar fries. This guy just gave us a coupon for 2 free rides. He had a stack of them, boy. He was rich. He gave us 2 free rides, even though we got unlimited rides. He gave it 2, which is so sweet. Oh, we finna get on this ride right here. It's so scary when you're on there. I remember when I first got on there, I was like, that don't look scary at all. When I got on there, I changed my mind. Like it's finna end now.
Oh yeah, you got that one. I had got on one like that one, but it was way. I got on it when I went to and it was way.
So y'all, we next for the boat ride. I'm so nervous. So nervous. Nervous as a nervous can be. Jesus Christ, keep me. It's getting off now.
No, you fine.
We were waiting with them, but we had to come back. Did they already ride it?
That's okay.
They rode it. That's what. That was fast. That's what I'm saying. Like, we had to come out.
It looks fast, but it's gonna feel slow.
It's quick.
Yeah.
I thought they was getting started, and they done. Okay. Oh. If we were tall, we could just like jump over this way. I don't want to risk it. When Brianna came like last year, this girl did that. She ended up like breaking the game still.
We waiting, y'all. Here we go. Here we go again.
Sorry, we thought you were gonna make it.
Oh my Jesus. It's no seatbelts? What do you think this
So
is?
this gonna come down over you.
Oh, really? Okay.
I'm so scared.
We gotta go ahead. Oh, wait, I think somebody gonna sit beside us. Come on, guys, get in. Get in, Tisha, get in. Okay.
So nervous, so nervous.
I don't think nobody else come over here. I don't think nobody else will come over here. You want to just wait? Let's wait.
We need some more people.
Let's just wait. Let's just wait. See anybody want to come over here. Y'all can sit back here if y'all want.
I got room if y'all want.
Hey.
All right. We'll be doing a lot of screaming, I think.
Okay.
Me too.
All right.
Come on.
I think it's supposed to come down by itself, don't it?
Yeah, it's gonna come down by itself.
Oh, okay.
We're supposed to do
But you
lift
can
our,
put it down a little bit.
I don't know, we're supposed to lift our arms up or what? I'm so nervous. You can't get it? Oh, I'm so nervous. Should I even hold my phone? Should I even hold it? I don't know if I should hold my phone.
Lord.
Oh my God.
Oh, Lord. Every time my butt come on.
Oh my God. Tisha, okay? Oh, this is so crazy. Please don't drop my phone. Please don't drop my phone. Oh, wait. Not that bad. Maybe I lied.
Still begins. Don't miss it. Right here on the drill.
That was not the. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Where she went? My bad. That wasn't bad at all. Oh, there she goes. Hey, I finally found her.
Finally.
We can get on this.
This cannon right there. I don't know if you can see that white cannon right there. He's gonna, the man, he's gonna go all the way over here in this net. And yeah. Get on this ride. Back again, y'all. Hey, y'all. Okay. Bro, what the world? I'm going all the way around. Oh, Jesus. Which one, Tisha?
All right, we're good. Hold on, my feet gotta go up.
Playing with the rock, with the green.
Y'all go all the way back, Mom. I'm gonna go.
Girl, you just think it's all good.
Pass the phone around.
All right, let's try to.
You couldn't even pass the water around.
Uh-oh.
Still recording? Beep, ba, ba, ba.
Okay, go ahead.
Nah, you good.
Good time. 75.
Hey, doggy.
Oh boy, making me kind of
Just
nauseous.
say hey.
Hello.
Y'all better put your phones up.
Boy, we done had our pants on
Y'all better put your phones up.
we had our phones on the most dangerous ride.
For real. That boat.
Pleasure to be out here with you. As you heard. Leave alone. Second chance.
That's over. This is the meeting right here. I need a bird. Give me a bird. Here, please. They don't want to be bothered. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Huh? Why? How you get him on there? Oh, he don't want me to touch him.
He climbed on my hand.
Every time. Okay, I won't touch you. Come down. Why you scared?
I'm trying to keep that damn food. And like, you gotta like climb.
Look at this other bird trying to steal his food. Here, bird. Oh, he got mad. You so cute, yellow bird.
What's that?
She outside.
Oh, she want to do it?
No. Oh my God! Oh my God! I got a bird to get on me.
Everybody got a bird.
It's so cool.
What's that at?
It's not even heavy.
Y'all look kind of scary over here.
Tisha! 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 Well, he eating that food, boy. He eating this food.
I've been recording you.
It's all gone, so he probably gonna leave. It's no more. Go, go, fly away. They don't want to fly away. talking about?
Right.
What y'all talking about?
They talking too.
Don't be quiet now.
I know y'all are.
What y'all was talking about?
Oh, y'all got quiet.
Oh no.
What's going on?
Why y'all looking at me? Y'all making me scared. I'm finna leave.
Hello.
What your birdie friends talking about? Cause they was shows chirping. They looking at us like, look at these humans over here.
You want to get on my foot?
You don't got no food no more. They don't want that.
It's on the other side.
Eat it.
Oh.
He's like,
Said
yeah.
no.
You eat it.
They are being real nasty.
Look at this one.
He's so cute.
This one act like Luna.
Ah, it's my favorite, it's my favorite. What? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's it fine?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go in there next.
Okay. Really?
It was giving me kisses.
What?
I want to touch him, but they're so fat.
He like that bird off of Rio, the white one. But he's not white though. But it's just his hair in the front.
Okay, see you later.
Y'all talking now.
Don't be talking about us now. It ain't
I think I'm done. Okay, you guys, we are done having fun. I got me some deep fried Oreos. Let me tell you, I only had $9 left in cash, and the ATMs, they closed them. So I was like, the total for the Oreos and the drink, like my Coca-Cola, was like $12, and I had 9. So I was like, it's okay if I just give you these $9 and I get the soda and the Oreos. She's like, that's fine, that's fine. I said, thank you so much. So I'm in a little dilly deal. But thank you guys so much for watching. You are all now part of Cloud9, and please come back next time for another ride.
Happy clouds.